Class 11, subject Mathematics, chapter is conic sections, and the topic of the day is ellipse. Second part of the exercise, we are going to start from question number 10. The very first question of the second part: find the equation of the ellipse that satisfies the conditions vertices equal to plus minus 5 comma 0 and foci plus minus 4 comma 0. Now we just compare the vertices plus minus a comma 0 and foci plus minus c comma 0 of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So from here the value of a is 5 and value of c is 4. So we say c square is equal to a square minus b square. That is, b square is equal to a square minus c square. So this becomes a square mean 25, c square mean 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So here we substitute the value x square upon a square is 25 plus y square upon b square is 9 is equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 11. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions vertices 0 comma plus minus 13, foci 0 comma plus minus 5. We just compare this with 0 comma plus minus vertices a, and in case of foci we write 0 comma plus minus c. So these are the vertices or foci of the ellipse y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. So from here we say a is equal to 13 and c is equal to 5. That is, we can say b square is equal to a square minus c square. That is 169, 13 into 13, 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. Right? So from here we have y square upon a square 169 plus x square upon b square is 144 equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 12. Find the equation of the ellipse that satisfies the conditions vertices plus minus 6 comma 0 and foci plus minus 4 comma 0. Again we compare the vertices with plus minus a comma 0 and foci is compared with plus minus c comma 0. This is from the equation of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So from here we can say a square is equal to 36, 6 into 6 36, and c square we say is equal to 16. So we can find b square is equal to a square minus c square. That is 36 minus 16, which is equal to 20. So we substitute here the values x square upon 36 plus y square upon b square is 20 equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 13. Find the equation of the ellipse that satisfies the conditions ends of the major axis plus minus 3 comma 0 ends of the minor axis 0 comma plus minus 2. So what we can have, the equation is like this, shape of the ellipse is like this, x-axis and this is y-axis, this is horizon. So this length is called measure. So 3 0 and this is minus 3 0. Here minor axis is 0 2 and this is 0 minus 2. So what we can see, equation will be, this point is called a0. So value of a is 3 and this point is called 0b. So value of b is 2. So we can have the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. That is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 is equal to 1 is the required equation. Next question. Question number 14. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions ends of major axis 0 comma plus minus square root 5 and ends of minor axis plus minus 1 comma 0. So this is very much clear that the ellipse is of this shape, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, major axis is along y-axis. So this point is 0 comma plus minus a. This is this point. This gives us the value of a is square root of 5. So we can say a square is equal to 5. And this point is 0 b comma 0. So what we can say, b is 1. So b square is also 1. So equation of the ellipse will be y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. That is y square upon 5 plus x square upon 1 is equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 15. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions length of major axis 26, foci plus minus 5 comma 0. Major axis mean 2a. Length of major axis is 2a equal to 26. From here we have a is equal to 13. So a square is equal to 169. Foci mean we have plus minus c comma 0 and this relates with x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So from here we have c is equal to 5, which gives us c square is equal to 25. Now we can find b square. C square is equal to a square minus b square. So b square is equal to c square a square minus c square, which is equal to 169 minus 25 equal to 144. So this equation becomes x square upon a square. A square is 169 plus y square upon b square is 144 is equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 16. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions length of minor axis 16 and foci 0 comma plus minus 6. So first of all, minor axis mean 2b equal to 16. So b is equal to 8. B square becomes 64. Here foci mean we have 0 comma plus minus c. So this is related with the equation y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. So that means from here c is equal to 6. So c square becomes 36. Now from these two equations we can find a square minus b square is equal to c square. That means we have a square is equal to c square plus b square. That means 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. Now we put these values here. So equation becomes y square upon 100 plus x square upon b square, x square upon 64 is equal to 1 is the required equation of the ellipse. Now next question. Question number 17. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions foci plus minus 3, 0 and a is equal to 4. Foci, this is plus minus c, 0 and this is from the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So from here we have c is equal to 3, that is c square is equal to 9. So we know the formula c square is equal to a square minus b square, that is b square is equal to a square minus c square. A square is 4 into 4, 16 minus c square is 9. So this is equal to 7. So now this equation becomes x square upon a square. A square means 16 plus y square upon b square. B square is 7 is equal to 1 is the required equation. Now next question. Question number 18. Find the equation of the ellipse that satisfies the conditions b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, center at the origin and foci on x-axis. Foci on x-axis mean we have the foci as plus minus c, 0. So similarly we can say from this equation will be of the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Also we have the formula c square is equal to a square minus b square. So from here we have a square is equal to c square plus b square. So that means c square is 16 plus b square is 9. This is 25. Now substituting these values here, x square upon a square is 25 plus y square upon b square is 9 is equal to 1 is the required equation. Next question. Now next question is question number 19. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions center at 0, 0, major axis on the y-axis. If major axes are on the y-axis, from here we conclude the equation will be of the form y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Here a square is greater than b square. Now next thing is it passes through 3, 2 and 1, 6. So first of all we put 3, 2. So this equation becomes 4 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1. Okay, from here we can say 1 upon a square is u. So 4 u plus 1 upon b square is v. 9v is equal to 1, equation number 1. So what we are saying here, 1 upon a square equal to u, 1 upon b square equal to v. This is what we are supposing. Second time, this passes through 1, 6. So we substitute here, x is 1, y is 6, 6, 6, 36 upon a square plus 1 upon b square is equal to 1. So from here again 1 upon a square is equal to u. So 36u plus v is equal to 1. Equation number 2. We just solve these two equations now. What we should do? We here multiply this equation, first equation, by 9, then subtracting, minus minus minus. 9 into 4 36, 36 cancelled. 9 into 9 81, 81 minus 1 80v is equal to 9 minus 1 8. So this gives us the value of v. V is 8 upon 80, which is equal to 1 upon 10, right? So again, what is v? V is 1 upon b square is equal to 1 upon 10. So this gives us b square is equal to 10, right? Now we substitute the value of v in any one equation. Suppose we are substituting here in the first equation 4u plus 9v is equal to 1. So 4u plus 9 into v is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1. So this gives 4u is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 10, 10 minus 9, 1 upon 10. So this way we have u is equal to 1 upon 40. So what is u? U is 1 upon a square is equal to 1 upon 40. So this gives us the value of a square is 40. Now very easily we can substitute these two values in the equation here. This becomes y square upon a square. A square is 40 plus x square upon b square. B square is 10 is equal to 1 is the required equation of the last question of the exercise. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the conditions. Measure axis on the x-axis and passes through the points 4, 3 and 6, 2. First of all, measure axis on x-axis. So equation will be of the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Right? So first thing is this passes through 4, 3. First thing 4, 3. This gives us x is 4, y is 3. So 4 4 is 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1. Again we take 1 upon a square equal to u, 1 upon b square equal to b. So we write this equation as 16u plus 9v is equal to 1. Second time we have this passes through 6, 2. So this becomes 36 upon a square plus 4 upon b square is equal to 1. So this gives us 36u plus 4v is equal to 1. Okay. Now what we do? In the first equation we multiply with 4. In the second equation we multiply with 9. So these equations become this way. Multiplying with 9 we have this equation. Now these two equations I have already written them. Subtracting these two equations we have 4 minus 4 0, 6 3, this becomes 2, 260u, this is cancelled, equal to 5. So from here we have u is equal to 5 upon 260, 1 upon 52. So from here, what is u? This is 1 upon a square is equal to 1 upon 52. This gives us a square equal to 52. Now we put the value of u in the any equation. Suppose this is the first equation, 16u plus 9v is equal to 1. So here we substitute the value of u. 16 upon 52 plus 9v is equal to 1. So this becomes 8 into 2, 16, and this is 26. 4 into 2, and this is 13. So we have 9v is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 upon 13. So v is equal to 1 upon 13. What is v? This is 1 upon b square is equal to 1 upon 13. So this gives b square is equal to 13. So we have a square equal to 52, b square is equal to 13. So the required equation becomes x square upon a square 52 plus y square upon b square is 13 is equal to 1. This is the required equation. That's all. Thank you very much.